Hello and welcome friends. This is Sagar. Welcomes you all to your favorite YouTube channel Sugis Emol. First of all, I am telling you everyone that I got some DM on Instagram from a place which is located in south part of India and also from out of India that some of the people want to know the details about that product but they are not comfortable in a Hindi language. So that's why they are comfortable in English, and that's why I'm making that video for those people who are not comfortable in Hindi. But I'm just doing one confession that I'm also not good in English. I'm not perfect in English, so I can do any grammatical mistake in this video. So please forgive me, please cooperate with me. See, as a social media influencer, that is my job to provide information. As a YouTuber, YouTube is a as well as the entertainment platform, but with that YouTube is a information provider platform also, and as a information provider, that is my duty to provide information to each and every people. So now this video is for those people who are not perfect or not comfortable in Hindi. So I'm just trying to give that information which is I provided in the last video to that people. So please, I request you, if I did any mistake, please cooperate with me. So we start with our video. So here is the two product perfumes. One is Makkah, one is Medina, from the house of Al Haramin. If I give you the information about that company, Al Haramin is a Dubai-based perfume manufacturing company. Everyone knows the most of Arabic perfume manufacturing companies are based in Dubai. So here are two main product of Al Haramin. One is Makkah, one is Medina. So now we are going to start with Makkah. See, Makkah and Medina are the both perfumes are manufactured by Avric perfume manufacturing company, which are very good smell. So here we are. It is a very beautiful bottle of 15 ml volume, dark orange color, glass bottle looking is very nice, and here is something in box. Okay, that's not a user manual. That's advertisement pamphlet. Like they have Firdos also. They have white wood. They have black wood. They have amber, badar, so many kind of perfumes of they have, and they have just provided in this brochure, like a brochure. And here is a 15 ml bottle of Makkah perfume. So we are just going to take a smell. See, bottle is very beautiful. So now we are going to take how is the smell. How can we what means if we okay, now I am going to tell you what is a smell is like, and there is a very easy way to apply a essential oil. uh, if you apply ether like that way, it's going very long, going very long lasting, as it is in because I have already made a video on that. So I know that Makkah is first note is muscular. It's a muscular note, but that's not. If you know the musk, it's a black musk, one kind of musk, which is kasturi. In Hindi, they are saying is kasturi. So that is not like kasturi. That's a white musk. It's a proper white powdery musk. So the first note of that perfume is a perfectly powdery white musky, means one kind of muscular smell, but white muscular. And the second note, if I am saying, it's a citrus also, a very light citrus, but in citrus I am getting only a orange note. See, citrus is a combination of orange and lemon, but here is I am just only smell like a very little bit of orange. I'm not getting any lemon smell. It's a very means a very light bit of a freshness of orange. Definitely, rest of the time the muscular note is the best. So you can say that perfume is totally muscular. And in end note, if perfume goes light, in the end note there is a very light note of orange, citrus in orange. Now we are going to see Medina. First of all, see, I have just smelled that perfume, which is Makkah. And if I smell again that product, so I am getting confused. You also getting confused if you are buying somewhere in shop, and if you smelling 2 or 3 different perfume, you are getting confused regarding smell. So I'll just suggest you to take a smell of a coffee. Take a smell of a coffee powder. So if you take a smell of coffee powder, you will forget the previous smell which you get. So now I am going to do that so I can't get confused. I like coffee smell. Okay, So now we are going to see Medina. Okay, so that is there is also advertising pamphlet. We are not going to that. It's a totally transparent, means bottles are transparent, but that liquid is also transparent. Volume is 15 ml. Al Harmin written is here, Al Harmin Medina. Okay, that is also, as an applicator they provided us a roll-on, and we are going to take this on this hand. I have applied in a huge volume to just take a smell. What is exactly note provided by the perfume? Okay. It's a spicy note. It's a first note is a very little bit spicy note. But if I, the word is, if you know the mango pickle, if everyone guys you know the mango pickle, there is a one masala in mango pickle which is this smells like a mango pickle. Means you can't get a taste of a mango pickle, but if I what I means like for a suggestive word of a spicy of a spiciness of suggestive word, it's like a mango pickle which is very light note. And secondly the note is citrus, but in that case in that perfume there is a totally perfectly mixture of orange and lemon. There is not any permanent note of orange or permanent note of lemon. There is a mixture, completely mixture of orange and lemon, a very little bit rose also and jasmine also, a very little bit flory as like rose and jasmine. And if I last see, if goes lightly, I have applied very thickly, and now it goes very lightly. So now it smells like a sandalwood also. So if I'll tell you the first note is spiciness, spiciness because of means like a rose and jasmine, as well as with orchid flower. I think with orchid flower it's got some spiciness, but it's spiciness like a mango pickle. After that we will get a perfect note of citrus, which is perfectly a combination of orange and lemon. After that we will get a light note of flory, which is rose and jasmine, and also little bit spiciness of orchid flowers, and very last and very light note of a sandalwood. So that is a smell like that. I'll just tell you guys, you also try this and let me know in the comment section what you like about that product. Okay, now I'm just telling you something that products are good, that products are very good, that is long lasting also. If you are talking about his projection, so projection timing is 4 to 5 hours definitely. 4 to 5 hours definitely the projection timing is. And if we are talking about the long lastingness of that product, so Al Hara means every product of Al Hara means in essential oil, in ether, they are definitely for 8 to 9 hours long last, definitely. And if you using any technique, like if you using any petroleum jelly before applying that, so it will goes more long. So, and I don't think that is a need, because if you applied a very light volume, it also goes for 8 to 9 hours. That is not an issue. But there is one thing, that product is costly also. It will, for 15 ml you have to pay for somewhere 400, somewhere 400, 500, means from 400 to 600. In this range you can get that product from a different website. I will give you the link in the description box. But if you want to try, just I have described all things about that particular perfume, but you are confused and you want to try the perfume smell, so I'll just suggest you to buy a same product, a same Makkah from Al Arabia or Al Nuaim, same Medina from Al Arabia or Al Nuaim. There are some companies who are manufacture that product. See, there is difference between a quality, because that is for 600 rupees, and same Medina product of Al Arabia is from 180 to 250 something. I'll share you the link of that product also. So there is a difference between quality, but you can try it. That is also similar with that product. Okay, so you can try. If you want to try a smell and you want a quality, you can go for that. I will share you the link where you can get that product in a bulk or with a combo. So I'll share you the link, and please, if I did any mistake, grammatical mistake especially, if I did, please forgive me. I'm not good in English. I'm just made that video for my some friends who message me that they want information in English. That's why I made that video. So if I did any mistake, I'm sorry for that. And please let me know in a comment section, would you like the video, and if there is any suggestion, please tell me. Just in last video I'm telling you that I got a message on comment section. Some people is comment me about to make that video. So as it is, if you want any information about any video or any Arabic French clone or any traditional ittar, if you want to know the details, you can DM me. I will share you the details with you also, and I will make video definitely for you. So that is it. Okay, if you like the video, please like, share with your friends who love perfumes and all that, and subscribe our YouTube channel, which is very free, and you can get a next notification of next video. Okay, thank you so much, friends.